We got our mascot here. We got Josh, and we are looking for shed antlers. Go find some.
Yeah, beautiful day.
Let's do it. Beautiful day. Look at this. Sunshine. The leaves are actually starting to come out, starting to get a little green. Well, this looks like some pretty nice terrain. We got a trail coming up this way. See it going up that hill. These are the kind of slopes we're looking for. Nice kind of open, brushy south facing. Some moose droppings there. That's a pretty cool find there. Looks like a bear skull, I would say. Pretty interesting. Oh, a little shed antler, look at that. Just when I was checking out this bear skull. Whoa, a drop tine. What is that, huh? I just hiked off this ridge behind us, getting into some nice willows, moose beds, moose herds. Look at these willows all chewed down. Well, this is the hard part of shed hunting. Nobody likes to see.
Yeah.
Nobody shows. The willows and the thistles. But it's stuff like this you gotta do to find the big sheds. Well, a little snack break. We're gonna go that direction now. This is a nasty hike getting through here. All sorts of erosion and landslides, and the ground is just all chewed up. Came from over there. Finally back in the good spot. Look at this country. Woo! We'll find them. We've been hiking a long ways. Just found a 4-point shed. Let's check it out. Let's get the pickup here. Definitely a couple years old. That's good to find. We have hiked for a couple hours straight with very little sign and very little of anything really. But on the board, let's find another one. Hopefully Josh is having some better luck. Well, this day has turned out to be quite something. We were coming up this hill here, and all of a sudden I noticed Nova wasn't doing so great. Her back legs were kind of wobbly, so we got her laying down here in the shade. I think she's pretty exhausted. I think she might have heat exhaustion or heat stroke, whatever you want to call it, so I've got her some water and some shade. Hopefully she'll be feeling okay. It's quite the hike to get out of here, so we may have to see about getting somebody to boat down the river and come get us. We're only half a kilometer or so off the river. Sounds like Josh found a couple sheds here. He was up behind us further over on the ridge, so he's going to come down and we'll try to figure out what to do. She's just been panting. So tired. Oh yeah, you're tired, aren't you? Being black, having a black coat, plus 15 or so on a south-facing slope, it's probably a little bit hot for her. I did stop a number of times and try to get her some water even before this, but I don't know. What do you do? Well, Josh just found me here, still hanging out with Nova, trying to get her cooled down. Here's some of our finds. Josh found a couple nice sheds here. This bear skull, kind of cool. And then he found this 3-pointer. And this 3-pointer, it's a pretty good one. And this little 2-point. And then there's my bear skull there, pretty small one. And that little 3-point shed, and that 4-point shed. So we worked hard for these ones, that's for sure. We caught a bit of a break. Fortunately, my dad is able to come get us with his river boat. Got to carry Nova to the river now, half a kilometer down some pretty steep terrain, so hopefully it goes okay. Wish us luck. Well, we made it. We made it. Thank you. Yeah, it was a big day, huh? Yeah, you just rest. There's some water, some food, she'll be good.